Hey guys, welcome to week 3. So this is where we begin the quote unquote working weeks. And so you'll have a group discussion, and it is the responsibility of every team member to post to the group discussion at least once during those working weeks. And your post should summarize any contributions you have made to the project that week, because you should be contributing every single week, and make sure that you include any drafts or anything. And these aren't graded, and so it can be a picture of something you wrote out with pencil and paper. It can be a copy of an article. It can be anything. The reason that we do this is twofold. Number one, it helps me to see if people really are participating. And so if I have team members come to me and say, Susie Q is not participating, and I look at the discussion and I've been watching that, noticing there's no contribution, I know for sure that is the case. Number two, by having all of your drafts saved in the discussions, if God forbid something happens to someone, they get pulled for a last minute shift or they fall ill, the team has access to all the most recent drafts that person was working on. So we kind of use it as a joint working space, and also proof that you have been participating and that you deserve to be given credit for all of the hard work the group has done. If you have questions about that, please let me know. Have a great day, guys.